Can he finish it?
The keeper's gone the right way and kept out the shot.
Which way is he going to put it? He gave the keeper the eyes and scored the penalty. Surely he'll put this one away.
The keeper stopped it.
How do you explain that? Solid strike there, never in doubt. You can cut the atmosphere here with a knife.
The goalie comes out on top.
It's simple now. He scores this and they win.
Oh, the keeper didn't even have to move. Terrible penalty.
And that save has decided the match. They've won the cup. Oh no, he's missed it. And